In this video, I'll show you how to connect laptop to TV. First, make sure that your TV has a HDMI port. It looks as shown in the video. Also, make sure your laptop also has HDMI port. Now all you need is a HDMI cable to connect laptop to TV. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the TV and the other end to laptop. Now turn on the laptop. Now take the TV remote and click on source. Now you will see various options that are available. Among them you will see HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. I have connected the HDMI cable to HDMI port 2, so I'll select HDMI 2. Now you can see that laptop is connected to TV. I have listed couple of troubleshooting steps as well. Thanks for watching. If this video has helped you, then give a thumbs up. Else, thumbs down. And please do subscribe.